What up, folk? Boston Black, popsholistics.com. We're about to kick off the second part of our fermentory juicing journey today. We just got finished doing golden beets and carrots. It's in the refrigerator already. And now we're about to go ahead and start juicing our hard greens number 5. Okay, folks, we back. We got a little bit more than a quart and a quarter. So I'm prepared to go 4 bottles this time. But it seemed like every time I tried, based on the amount that's in the jar, I don't get there. But I got 4 ginger shots just in case. Shaking up. Again, I'm using the ones without the label, so I don't have to use the label. Put it on later. So anyway, first thing I want to do is go ahead and put 2 in there, just in case. Also get this. There you have it, folks. Hard greens number 5. Peace.